Oga, now for they disturb this motor.
Fuck.
Yes, sir.
How we go do it? Police station not there around here.
Oga, I don't see one Niger that we do.
Leave her. Come here. Come here. You the case?
Oga, wetin happen now?
Are you the do bakery for this area? God don't catch you.
I don't get bakery. Wetin dey talk like this now?
You don't get. Give her hose. Go put it inside the car, John.
Wetin for inside car?
Come take.
Inside which car?
Come make I tell you. Inside our car.
Oga, no fit put this thing.
I go slap you. Look. Idiot.
Oga, let me open now. I will shoot you now. You won't die, Abi.
We are there.
I no fit put this inside car. I go shoot you. Okay.
See this strong head. Carry am up, no get sense.
Yeah, carry on up.
I know say I go carry am up.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Lábúlé ẹ̀wọ̀n baálẹ̀ tó ń sagbó. Ìyàwó ń to gógóró, ọmọ wa ń dòde. Bóyá ẹni kọ́ máa so, kọ́ máa wo, àní kọ́ máa so, kọ́ máa wo. Iṣẹ́ tá ṣe ti já o, ẹni tẹ́ pa òkú o. Ìjọ tá mú ti fẹ́ràn, àsọ̀rọ̀ tá so ti já o. Ìkìtà bẹ̀ ti wú o. Kọ́ máa wo, ẹni lẹ́fẹ̀ẹ́ sí lọ́kàn, ìfẹ́ tá ṣe pílò.
Sorry, Oga. I sent my brother and Naira. Said you collected the stuff from him. Oh, now you dey say make a do bakery for this area.
Yes, I no get bakery. They don't say we get bakery now.
But so what did I send you?
Palm wine.
What do you put inside our car?
Palm wine.
Palm wine.
Yes.
Why you not talk say that palm wine you dey carry?
Ask me anything now.
Now. You know get there. Why you put palm wine inside the car?
Let us say wetin I carry make I put am. So you shall put am. We shoot you. We arrest you. You want to die? It doesn't matter no more. Why no go put am?
You put palm wine inside the government car. You don't spoil government car. I will arrest you.
You will arrest you?
Yes, I go arrest you.
My brother. I mean,
yes.
You collected something from me. Say,
No, don't call anybody. I won't allow you to call anybody.
now.
No. Don't spoil the government car.
Go APC. Oga, come PDP.
If you touch that boy, you are in trouble. So, is that how you be?
You don't
Is
spoil
that
the
how
government
you
car.
be? Is that how you behave? I said someone another. You collected my palm wine.
Why you not talk?
Why you no action?
Why you not talk?
Why you no action?
Why you not palm wine inside?
You know me now.
If you touch that boy again, I go call your CP now.
Oga, come PDP.
Come on, make the talk.
I will call your CP.
Oga, no answer there. They slap me.
Who slapped you?
My friend.
They don't slap me.
My friend.
I no be your friend.
My friend. Why they do like that?
Hold down. Nobody.
My brother.